Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kobo Clara Colour Wi-Fi, set up an OverDrive library, full guide step by step clearly. To set up your Kobo Clara Colour for Wi-Fi and OverDrive library access, begin by charging your device. Connect the provided USB cable to the Kobo and plug the other end into a power source. Once fully charged, turn on your Kobo Clara Colour by pressing the power button. After powering on, you will see the welcome screen. Select your preferred language from the options provided. Tap Next to continue the setup process. Now, you will be prompted to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list displayed on the screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Wait for the device to establish a connection to the internet. Once connected, your Kobo will automatically check for updates. After the updates are installed, tap Next to proceed to the home screen. Now, let's set up OverDrive for library borrowing. From the home screen, tap on Library at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on OverDrive to access the OverDrive feature. You will be asked to sign in or create an OverDrive account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once signed in, locate your local library by tapping Find a Library. Search for your library by name or location, and tap Select. If prompted with your library linked, you can now browse and borrow ebooks from your library's digital collection. To find a book, use the search function or browse categories. Once you find a book you'd like to borrow, tap on it for more details. Tap Borrow to check out the ebook, following any additional prompts. After borrowing, the book will be added to your library. You can start reading it by tapping on the book cover. To access your borrowed books, return to the library section. Congratulations, you have successfully set up your Kobo Clara Colour for Wi-Fi and OverDrive library access. Enjoy your reading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.